teach you today why I got NVIDIA. Now yesterday I planned this using ATR. I thought that the SPY or the market was priced into FOMC, looking at the option chain and understanding that so many of the mega caps not going to drop or make too much of a big move, especially Apple. So I thought SPY would be just a tight range for the morning. So my focus was on AVGO and NVIDIA and Nike. So I'll tell you why. So from last week, from 385, I've been swinging it into the 400, then the 405, and then now today the 420, right? Today it kind of like broke out after FOMC because first off, if you watch my video on ATR, you could understand that NVIDIA has one of the strongest, biggest ATR compared to its price, right? So ATR is average true range of how much a stock moves within the market open intraday range from the high to the low. So I was scanning the market yesterday on Voice Live saying, hey, you know what? NVIDIA is going to be one of the biggest moves along with AVGO. Let's watch these two, target 900 for AVGO and the 420 for NVIDIA. So we got this, and even today morning for some of the newer traders that joined, I was like, this was the first trade. I was like, okay, NVIDIA pulled back. Let's go for 415 calls, target into 420. And if you have the 420, keep holding it. And what do you know, my target in the morning was 422. The 422 target hit, once that hit, it was just able to break out into the end of the day after FOMC because, again, it's not running on momentum just because. It actually has a valuation breakdown that I did. And if you look at the quarter-over-quarter earnings growth, they're projecting a 50% growth into next quarter. So if you take 235 and you add the 50% growth, that brings it to 350, right? Now, if you also get the EPS growth, that's another 30%. That takes it exactly to 420. So since that's priced in going into the forward guidance for next quarter, all the hedge funds and everybody's like saying, okay, no more rate hikes, NVIDIA, let's buy it now before it continues its run into its future growth rate potential of 500, I believe, into the end of the year. So let's hope that, this run continues, stay long, focus on growth stocks, don't be stuck on something that doesn't work. I hope you're blessed by this, you understand a little bit more about valuations, and if you want to trade some of the biggest runners with me, make sure to check out SuperLuckeee.com, come join our community and grow your account. Okay. God bless, bye!
Where we're gonna fly like you did sometime.